Hi everyone, welcome to week 12 of Writing 213. This week we're getting started with our fourth module, which is a multimodal project and the last major project you'll complete for this class. I have graded a handful of your research papers exploring a problem in your field. I've collected a lot of papers in several of my classes this week, so it will be a minimum of a week turnaround, and hopefully I'll get back to you within a week, but no promises. It could be a little bit longer. So this week, in terms of media, you should be directing your own reading in relation to your project. I strongly suggest consulting with a librarian about your topic. A basic Google search is not going to cut it. As always, we'll engage in a large group workshop, but this time it's going to take place a little bit differently because this is a multimodal project and it's not easy for us to just comment in the text. This is just one example of a possibility you might consider for your project. So you're going to watch this video and then you're going to open up this file, and I'm going to ask you to type your name and then your response. Some interesting things you've noticed, maybe some questions or comments that you have about the project that can get the group thinking about what is effective or not effective about this example. And then by Sunday, I would like you to summarize and review one source of information related to your project. You should also include a full APA-style citation to go along with it. As we move forward with this project, next week you'll turn in a couple more assignments than usual, but these are short and they'll be meaningful to your progress. So you'll include a statement of the problem, a one-sentence purpose statement, another source summary and review, and a rationale for the mode that you choose. So I want to encourage you to think about what mode might be the best for displaying the kinds of information you're working with. In week 14, you'll submit a draft of your paper. In week 15, we'll engage in peer review and you'll submit your final draft. In week 16, I'll put up a reflection for the class, and that will be your final exam. You can finish it just about any time during the last week of classes. Well, I will be in my office hours this week as usual, so pop in if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading more from you soon.